Hey there, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm super excited to show you a brand new model from Boston Whaler. This is their 210 Vantage. Starting off here at the helm, this is an incredibly sporty and fun boat to drive. This one is loaded out with a 12-inch Simrad touchscreen display, JL audio sound system, with JL speakers throughout. This boat does have trim tabs with the LED indicators, stainless steel steering wheel on a tilt base with a steering knob. Several engine options on this boat. We've equipped this one with a V8 250 Verado with digital throttle and shift. This boat does around 50 miles per hour and it gets there very quick. Angled footrest and a nice flip-up bolster. You got great visibility and an elevated perspective in addition to a more sporty position down below. We'll move up to the bow. We've got a block-off door and a windshield to separate the cockpit on those cooler running days. There's a really versatile storage area on the starboard side here that you can access either via the starboard console or the starboard locker here. There's also a little trash receptacle area that goes right to a 5-gallon bucket. Super heavy duty ski pole is stowed in this same locker as well. All these cushions up front remove if you want to get them out of the way if you're doing any fishing. Also got a nice storage locker here in the port bow. There is a table mount, one of two on the boat. So you've got a synthetic teak tabletop here that goes into place, and you can also drop that in and put a filler cushion on top and make this one solid sunbed area. Anchor storage that has a lid with a gas shock. Navigation lights, JL speakers up in the bow. Stainless steel grab rails are beneath the gunnels, so it's nice and comfortable on your arms. Cup holders as well. Coming aft. Head area on the port side. Big heavy duty door with a magnetic catch. Keeps it open. This is that bow filler we were talking about earlier. Pump out head. So you've got a plumbed porta potty. Storage for the cockpit table is there on the port side wall. You'll notice this padded bolster. We'll show you what it's for here in a second. So this port side seat has an adjustable backrest. So I've got a forward-facing position here with really nice storage beneath this seat. Got all our life jackets under there now. And then I can bump this backrest back just one notch. And now I've got an aft-facing seat with a live well beneath here. Also makes for a really great cooler as well. But if I take this backrest and drop it all the way back, now I've got a huge sunbed area. I can seat 3 across facing inward, or I can also have a nice lounger facing aft with a cushioned bolster for some back support. Back into the cockpit area. If you want to do any fishing, you can have the backrest for the stern seats in the down position. Now you've got a nice little casting and walking area. Cup holders and rod holders along the back. Freshwater sprayer here. Cockpit mount for the cockpit table. Nice folding, collapsing backrest on the stern seats. Tucked in low. Feel nice, safe, and secure. Not going to catch any spray. This boat is incredibly dry. Stainless steel grab rail right here as well, and conveniently located cup holders. Swim platforms angled outward away from the engine with a reboarding ladder to the starboard side located beneath this hatch. And again, V8 250 horsepower 4-stroke from Mercury. It features the top cowling service door. Check and add to your oil levels. This boat is equipped with a bimini top as well, stainless steel bimini with blue canvas to match the blue exterior gel coat. And that is a walkthrough on Boston Whaler's 210 Vantage. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 if you have any questions about this boat or any of our others. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.